Hi guys, I'm Jared Wiggins, Project Manager with Harmon Construction, and welcome back to the historic Winchester Star building. So over here, we're back on the second floor, and the idea right now is to do apartments in this space. If we walk over here, this is where our hallway is going to be for the apartments. We wanted to still kind of preserve this space, and we want to still see some of the historical aspects preserved. See right here, there's a lot of the plumbing, so we have some definites about what some of these things might look like, where our toilets are going to go, our plumbing is going to go, our sinks are going to go. And if we walk over here, you see this space, it's a lot of open, seems pretty straightforward. There's going to be a lot of challenges as we go forward and as we look at the different solutions to putting apartments in this space. So we have the original 1946 part. There's an addition to that. There's a couple of additions that were made. So if we walk this way, I'll show you guys some of these additions. So over here we have where the original building ends and where the new building begins. You can see the stack upon stack of bricks and just the thickness of this wall. We have a whole new set of challenges in here. We've got the steel work. We have what was used for a commercial space before that's going to become residential. This is a lot cleaner of a space. We're going to see some simpler solutions here. There's not going to be as much challenges in putting apartments in this space. And the idea right now is to have this be two full-size luxury apartments. One of the issues that we're going to see in this space has to do with keeping up to code in the sprinkler system. We have two separate buildings basically. We have one that was built in the 80s and we have one that was built in the 1940s. In order to make this area up to code, we have a lot more work to do in order to bring the sprinkler system not only into this space, but into the attic space of the 1946, and to connect the systems in order to have one coherent, up to code sprinkler system. This space is going to be office space, very similar to what we saw in the initial phase. And so something actually, if you guys want to look in this space, there's an existing HVAC system. There's an existing heating and cooling system that we want to reuse for this space that was put in a while ago. And instead of tearing it down and doing something new, it works super efficiently and it saves costs. And so we want to reuse whatever we can in this space. Something different about this space though, as you can see, there's not a lot of natural light, super dark in here. And that's got to be fixed because, like I said earlier, we want to give as much light, as much natural light as possible to the folks who will work here in this office. So what we're going to do is we're going to punch in 3 windows. The final section, if you guys follow me, I'll take you there. And so you can see there's a huge, big industrial area over here with just so much potential. The idea is not to lose a lot of that industrial look. The idea is to keep a lot of it. If you guys look this way, there's lots of windows, lots of natural light coming in. And so it's a lot of stuff, it's big, it's a lot to talk about. And so it doesn't take small work to make this a full-fledged facility. Hey, thanks for coming. Thanks for walking with me in the historical Winchester Star building. We'll check back in later. There's still a lot more that's happening here, so we're not done yet. So see you all.